What a gorgeous day. The sun is shining so brightly.
Yes, it's absolutely beautiful outside. The sky is so clear.
I love days like this. It puts me in such a good mood.
Me too. It's amazing how the weather can affect our emotions.
Definitely. The sunshine just lifts my spirits instantly.
It's the perfect day for a picnic or a stroll in the park, don't you think?
Absolutely. I can imagine the grass will be so green and inviting.
And we can feel the warm rays of the sun on our skin. It's so refreshing.
I could sit outside all day and soak up this beautiful weather.
I agree. It's a great opportunity to enjoy outdoor activities and connect with nature.
I think it's a good time to go for a bike ride or even have a barbecue.
That sounds like a lot of fun. We can make the most of this lovely weather.
I can't help but appreciate the beauty of nature on days like this.
It's a reminder of how wonderful our world can be, isn't it?
Now, absolutely. It's moments like these that make life so enjoyable.
I completely agree. We should cherish these sunny days whenever we have them.
I couldn't agree more. Let's make the most of this beautiful weather today.
Definitely. Let's plan something fun outdoors and enjoy the sunshine.
Sounds like a plan. It's going to be a fantastic day.
It sure will be. Let's embrace the sunshine and create wonderful memories.